And good morning, guys. What a beautiful Saturday. It's a little cloudy today, but today is pretty fun. We're gonna go hit the gym, but before that we're gonna go put open house signs for this property because I'm doing an open house for this property, which is so nice. It's $4.3 million. They bought this less than a year ago and now they're selling it. Long story short, I'm gonna talk more about this property once I'm inside. I'll give you also a quick tour, but just wanted to bring you along with me. Today is a Saturday. It's such a nice day, and just show you what a day in a life looks like, and also talk about why I became a real estate agent and why maybe you should consider becoming one too. Look at this. It looks so cloudy today, but this might be one of my favorite homes in Rancho Santa Fe when it comes to like a small single level property. It's a 3-bed 2-bath. I'll talk about it more, but it is such a beautiful property, and they put $100,000 into this property since they bought it in the most little things that you probably wouldn't even notice. Exposure for your open house is the most important thing. That's why I put one open house right there and then one right here, and then we're gonna go down that area, put more open houses, and also go down this area because I have plenty of open house signs. And the more exposure you get, I mean, it's basically free marketing, especially here in Rancho Santa Fe, which is the smallest. I looked it up on Google and it says that it's the smallest and one of the richest cities in America, which it is true. The average home here, is about 5 million. So, and the small ones are like this. It's like 4 million, maybe even 3.5. But the nice homes start at like 6, 7, 8 million. But if you want to go the baller route, it's like 15, 20 million. So, not LA prices, but still it's like one of the most expensive real estate in California and in America. So I stopped taking protein shakes after my workouts. So I'm using the protein shake, like the spinner bottle that I got some time ago for the protein shake for my pre-workout, because I'm taking some creatine now. Also I'm taking electrolytes, which is really good, and my pre-workout. So I'm feeling hydrated during the workout. I'm excited for today. Today we're gonna do arms and back, maybe some legs, most likely not, but we're gonna have to make it a quicker workout. Usually I'm here for like an hour and a half. And yeah, we got a lot going on today. It's a fun day. I'm filming today, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and honestly just try to be with you and just be as real as I can, because sometimes I get nervous still, even like 6 months since I started vlogging. But I'm excited, man. There's so much going on. Real estate is kind of all over the place in San Diego, and I think all over the US too. I think so many people are just waiting for the election to be over so we'll know who's the next president and what to expect for, which I understand. Like, the thing about real estate that I would say, if you are considering getting into it, like being an agent or even investing, it's so important to know what's going on in the politics world, like what's going on, what kind of bill they're gonna pass, are there gonna be any tax cuts. Like, there's just so much going on. Like the interest rates too, they are all controlled by politics in a way. So guys, I'm running a little late because I have to still go to the office and print some flyers out, but I came home and I told you I do not drink any protein shakes anymore. So Lynn made me, it's supposed to be a pork bowl, but we use beef because I don't eat pork anymore. Well, I try not to. So, I mean, this looks amazing. And then we got some chicken from Whole Foods on the side. Thank you, baby. So that probably has about, we're pushing 100 grams of protein because it's literally basically all meat. And every time we make it, we use like 2 packs of 1 pound each of grass-fed clean beef. And just like that, we are at the open house now in Rancho Santa Fe. It is a sunny, beautiful day. I'm gonna turn all the lights on, make sure all the outdoor furniture has, you know, it's nice and nothing is dirty. I'm gonna open up everything, make sure it looks clean and good. I mean, so far, you guys are on a tripod, but look at this. It looks really nice. Very quiet, private driveway, but you don't have a gate, which is something you can add to this property. But I mean, it's such a nice property so far. Okay guys, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I've been trying to make a video here in front of the home 3-4 times, and every single time somebody comes, wants to see the home, so I'm putting everything away, I'm putting the tripod and the camera, so hopefully I can get through this video. But I wanted to talk about, you know, why did I become a real estate agent? And I think it's so important that in this society where we live, you should be able to pursue something that you want that doesn't have a cap of your income. So for example, this home, if I find a buyer doing the open house and I sell them the home, I'm gonna make about a 6-figure commission, 2.5%, 4.3 million, make the numbers, probably over 100. Of course, there's commission splits and everything like that, but overall, if I sell 4 or 5 of these homes, that's a nice yearly salary. But I personally think that sales is one of the best things, and that's why I joined real estate, to meet cool people, to talk to people that can own homes like this, that have the funds to buy, and be surrounded by those people. I want to help people. I want to help people with fitness, with financial goals, with everything, because I feel like God is telling me that it will be selfish of me to live life and not help other people. So that's why I got into real estate. I failed my first test to get my license, but then I made sure that I know all my stuff and I'm not even using it ever. But honestly, real estate is such a
people game. You just need to know people. You just need to have friends and be cool with them and make sure that they like you, because they can go with a different agent. You just need to be you at the same time and not be somebody who you're not, because they're gonna work with you for who you are. So yes, I'm young, 25 years old, but I'll hustle. I'll find the off-market deal for my clients, and I will go much farther than people that have kids, for example. I don't need to take care of a kid. I only have my fiance, right? So that's that. I'm gonna finish the open house. Actually, why don't I show you the home? Because I feel like, you know, I'm gonna do a property tour for this home later, but why don't we check it out? So why don't we do a quick property tour? Why not? You got the front yard, which is a cute little garden, and actually when it's raining the water comes down that way, which is really cute. Plenty of space for cars. I mean, you can put at least like 12 cars in there. It looks really nice. This right here might be one of my favorite things, and this is a wood deck that you just sit down and you don't even feel like you're in San Diego. This feels so like you're in the middle of like a forest. Isn't this cute? It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. You got a few garage spots right here. I'm not gonna show you that, but I do want to show you a little bit of the home. Beautiful living area space, and oh my god, this looks so good. Fireplace is amazing. They got this down completely, I think in 2022. Also, the furniture of this house is completely custom to this property. So I think they measured like this area over here for this specific couch. I mean, you got a fireplace right there, small TV, Viking stainless steel appliances. Such a beautiful property. Like the color itself, so nice. What do you guys think so far? You got an outdoor area. Me personally, I would love to see like a, what is it called? Outdoor shower. Got the barbecue area space right here. And then all this deck is brand new. When they bought it in 2022 to flip, this was not even here. All these plants were all the way to the property. And something that I was thinking while I was touring this property yesterday, or I think the other day, this right here would be such a cute place for like a wedding. So cute. This tree, very large and big. You also have the roof, brand new, new AC, new insulation. Grass right here is brand new. I mean, so quiet. HOA is pretty expensive. It's $1,500 per month, but I think per month or per year. I think it's per month. But the thing about this property is there's always security here, so it's pretty safe. Let me show you the rest of the home. It is a single level story, and you can build an ADU over there if you really wanted to. But let's check out some of the rooms. This is one of the bathrooms. I think this is the master. And then, for example, this right here is custom made. There's a washer and dryer there. Place for the kitty to go poo poo and pee pee. Storage. I mean, just like the light fixtures. I mean, they just put it. They were not even supposed to sell this home. No, this is the master bathroom and shower. Look at this. I love that little box right there. You have another closet in there, built-in closet that they put here. That's a brand new window that they put. Outdoor area here to just hang out and look at all the people that might come to your property. I mean, it is so quiet in here. I think Ranch Santa Fe is one of the most comfortable and easy access places if you want privacy, space, but at the same time you want to be close enough to all the other areas. This is another bedroom right here. And then this is an office space, which is really nice. And that window right there is brand new. They just put it in. Everything custom to this home. Look at that. Can you imagine yourself doing some work over here? So cute. So that's a little sneak peek of a property tour. Let me know what you, did I mention how much it is? Let me know how much you think the property is. But I'll tell you, it's $4.3 million. Beautiful, beautiful property. One of my favorite right now on the market. But what do you guys think? I want to hear your opinion. You gonna be okay? Wait, what film? What is this? You okay?
Oh. Look at that little belly. Look at this little belly. Look at this little belly. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Oh my god.
Nala? Nala?
You know, I had some steak last night. And it was so good with some bananas on the side. Oh my god. And then I went to the park and I got some treats. Okay, treats. You want a little bit of treats? I'll give you one, okay? I'll give you one. One treat. One treat. One good one, yeah? Goodbye. I gave her a little treat.